this video today, my husband is giving a tour of a house that we bought probably in 2010. We just had a tenant turnover. She's maybe the second tenant we've ever had there. She lived there a good 10 years. We are moving in another tenant that was in a different property that I placed this tenant, and he wanted to move for some reason. I don't know what the whole story was. But when I placed him in a house that was very similar but only has one full bathroom, his rent through Section 8 was $1,500 a month, 100%. I think there's some disability income or something, and he's got a son on disability. Well, now I put in with Section 8, same Section 8 office, but this house has 2 full bathrooms and 1 half bath, and I put in for $1,500 on the RAFTA. That's the move packet you fill out when you get a Section 8 tenant, and I said I'd like $1,500. That's what I got before, a couple blocks away. And they wrote back and they said, oh no, not anymore. Your rent is $1,305. So things have changed. I'm happy with $1,305. That's really good rent considering how things have changed. Section 8, they have cut the funding by 45%. It's a lot, and we're not really sure how it's going to play out. It's being moved from HUD being federal. They're giving the states grants for Section 8, and it hasn't happened yet. I'm on the board of RIA, Real Estate Investors Association of Oakland. In August, which is this month, I am bringing in somebody from MSHDA, Michigan State Housing Development Authority, to come talk to us about what the expected changes are going to be. I will film it, so keep watching. Watch for that. So if you are interested in a house like the one you're about to see, that's what we do. We buy distressed properties and we fix them up, and we have our own buy and holds like this one, but we also sell them. And if you are curious how other investors are funding these things, I made a video about it. Definitely check out that video. But if you would like to buy a house like that, they are between $85,000 and $90,000. Call me, set up a call with me on Calendly, and I can tell you how to get a house like that. Let's get into it with my husband's tour.
All right, here we are at 16046 Collingham. Just wrapped it up, waiting on the inspector to show up. Let's go in and take a look. One 6046. We put up new security doors, new mailbox.
Thank you so much for watching. It helps me tremendously if you subscribe. Thanks.
Here we are in the entryway. Let's go this way first. Here we are in the living room. New carpet, new blinds, new paint, fireplace, but we've got it blocked off, secured. Still looks nice though. Come down here down the hallway. Bathroom. I love this bathroom. The tiles in perfect shape. It's not the obnoxious colors of pink or blue. New vanity, toilet, new lights, new shower head. We come in here to bedroom 1, new lights, smoke and carbons are up, new carpet, new blinds. Bedroom 2, nice size, same thing in here, nice new blinds, new carpet, paint, new doors, put up some new doors, here, bathroom in here. Then we go upstairs. This is a nice one because it has a second full bath, and also with the nice colors of the white and black. So toilet, sink, and a stand-up shower. All in great condition. You come down the hallway to the bedroom. Nice big closet here. Same up here, all new paint, carpet, blinds, lights. And then into the kitchen. We redid this whole kitchen. New cabinets, countertop, sink, faucet. All across there. This one has another stove there, put in a new fan. New cabinets there. Fridge goes there, stove here. Best thing about this, got the dining room right off the kitchen. So there's plenty of space. All new LVP all through here. Another new security door there. Now the basement, new carpet on the steps. Just a big open basement. Updated electrical here. Nice space. It's a big basement. And then this house actually has a third toilet and sink. Can't beat that. And the laundry is separated. Utility sink, washer dryer hookups, gas or electric here. And then this is the furnace room. Furnace, hot water heater, replaced that. And that's it, 16046. Out here, this has a nice backyard too. Good 2-car garage. Decent yard space. And we put a new roof on here a couple years ago. Nice house. Nice neighborhood. Great neighbors. That's it. 16046 Collingham.